Greetings, happy Wellness Wednesday with Dr. Coquinda Chambers. I'm here to talk about how to obtain iron through your food as a food source opposed to iron supplementation, which causes constipation and some other complications. This video in particular will be for women who are experiencing anemia due to their periods, heavy periods, which can also be linked to fibroids. But it really is also for anyone who is seeking to increase their iron stores. This can happen in men as well, particularly if you have sickle cell or you need a greater level of iron and some other digestive issues and just other conditions that may require you to have more iron. And a lot of people don't realize that their iron stores are depleted from tiredness and fatigue. It doesn't always have to be due to dehydration or due to lack of sleep or due to poor energy stores like maybe through CoQ10. It could also be your iron sources because iron is what fuels and is the makeup of our blood. And so if the blood stores are not good, your red blood cells, hemoglobin, hematocrit, and all of those levels, it really can come from an iron depletion. And so a lot of people also may try to get their iron supplementation through red meat, which is said in our current healthcare industry that red meat is the best and the highest source of iron. I do not agree with it being the best source. It may be the highest and quickest source to obtain iron, but with all of the new findings with meat and lab engineered meats, of which I've spoken about in prior videos, and all of these antibiotics and hormones that we are put in our meats on these farms, particularly in the United States, I do not suggest red meat as your source of iron. Of course, you consult with your doctor and to find out what's best for you, but you can also obtain iron through grain and vegetable sources. The combination I've already shared with you, the smoothie, you can see it pictured. It's very tasty, and you can try to experiment around and figure out what combination works better for you. Just be mindful not to choose a bunch of fruits in any smoothie or juice or drink that you may obtain that has high sugar stores, that's high on the glycemic index. You want to be mindful of that because we don't want to start creating diabetes or pre-diabetic issues from eating too many sweets in general. But even through our juices, if you eat too many fruits without a level of protein, especially if those fruits are higher on the glycemic index, it leads to other conditions where your glucose is not regulated properly. So I hope this helps and you all be blessed and to your health. Bye for now.